Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the difference between computer science and informatics practices. Before 2018, C++ language was there in a computer science and Java language was there in a informatics practices. So we can easily find out the difference between these two subjects. But nowadays, from 2018, we are learning Python language in both the subject. So if we are going to learn same language in both the subject, then what is the difference? Yes, there is a difference between these two. In a computer science and informatics practices, first in a 11th standard, we are going to learn basic fundamental because it is very useful if you want to work with any programming language. Along with that, in a standard 11, IP provides NumPy library, as well as it is also providing SQL, structure query language. SQL is there in a computer science also, but it is there in a standard 12. But here you are starting from standard 11 itself in a IP. So let us see the main difference in standard 12. So in a standard 12, we are going to learn core Python. We can say core programming in a computer science. But informatics practices provide NumPy. As I said, it is there in a standard 11 itself. Then after pandas. Now this library is used to analyze the data, arrange the data, implement a data and different operations on a data. Then matplotlib to represent data in a graphic form. You can represent a data in a chart. So most probably the subject informatics practices work on a data. So after standard 12, you can go for data science. You might have heard about data science. So you can go for data science. You can do data analysis. Along with that, you can do machine learning too. By learning how to analyze the data, you can implement the data in machine learning. In a computer science, if you opt a computer science, most probably science student opt computer science. They might have decided that where they want to go. They will opt for a B.Tech or maybe engineering. So in that graduation and post-graduation years, this core Python will be useful. As I said, basic fundamental of all the programming language will be easy. So along with different languages, Python will be there in their graduation and post-graduation. So if you are a science student, I suggest you opt for computer science, and if you are commerce students, I suggest you to opt for informatics practices because you might have not decided whether you want to go for a programming or not. So if you have not decided, you can go for the informatics practices. After commerce, if you wanted to go for programming, then you can opt for a BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. Graduation is there, so you can go for it. Here, this is a cover page of Computer Science and Informatics Practices Standard 11 textbook. I hope this video is